to rhyme time.
Hi there, let's learn numbers together. Ready, let's go. 1, it's called 1. 2, it's called 2. 3, it's called 3. 4, it's called 4. 5, it's called 5. 6, it's called 6. 7, it's called 7. 8, it's called 8. 9, it's called 9. 10, it's called 10. 11, it's called 11. 12, it's called 12. 13, it's called 13. 14, it's called 14. 15, it's called 15. 16, it's called 16. 17, it's called 17. 18, it's called 18. 19, it's called 19. 20, it's called 20.